Workflow at a standstill because of the files R2R Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix localized resource-to-resource logic conflict for good. To start the walkthrough for files R2R Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the files R2R Library. Associated with the R2R group, this library manages the localized license verification and file integrity checks for creative software, like VST plugins. Because it performs deep registry and memory scanning, it is frequently quarantined by antivirus software. If deleted, the professional audio plugin will revert to demo mode or refuse to load. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Files R2R serves as a critical internal bridge for localized resource-to-resource logic features, and you should download the latest version of your host program where you encountered the error to replace any truncated or damaged binaries to resolve the launch error. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the file's R2R library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of files R2R Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're addressing files R2R library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. To support our technical team and receive updates on files R2R library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.